White Wallet is a safer multi-currency wallet. This application is available on every mobile platform. Download this application on your smartphone and have the access to your money in any second. To log in, you need to register or use the login and password from the Syntera.io website. Create the PIN code for your wallet. Now you have your own personal white wallet. In order to make a deposit, simply press the Get button and copy the address of your wallet or use the QR code. Congratulations! Now you have the money of the future. By the way, you can buy SSC coins in the application. In order to send you your money, press the Send button and choose the cryptocurrency you need. Paste the address which was provided by the recipient. Don't forget to enter the amount of money you would like to send and press Confirm. Additional functions are available for SSC coin. For example, you can exchange your SSC coins with other users. If you are taking part in the Tero Fund investment program, you can also send the cryptocurrency to your own Tero Fund account. Install White Wallet and begin to use it. It will be faster than the cup of coffee you drink. White Wallet, safe and easy, from the creators of Syntera Sharing Coin.